Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Gauri Kuklani and I am currently working with NTT Data as an analytics consultant. And in this video, I will help you in understanding what's the right way of asking referral. Why I am making this video is because I usually get messages on LinkedIn saying ki please refer me and all. But the way people approach is really wrong. So that only we are going to discuss completely in this video and how you can increase your chances of getting a referral or increase your chances of at least getting a positive response from the person you're texting. So let us get started. So first let us discuss about what exactly referral is. People who do not know, referral is something which helps you getting a priority in your application. Basically, if in organization ABC a friend of yours is working and you want to get into that organization, you will tell your friend to refer me and he will go into that portal. In his internal opening portal, he will check the ID which you have sent to him and he will refer you for that open position. Now, mostly what's the other way? We directly go to the company portal, the careers part, and we directly apply it from there. But the other method, which is more convenient and which helps in increasing your chance of getting a shortlist, is asking for a referral. So, this is what a referral is. Now, what's the process of getting referred? First, suppose if you have a company in your mind you want to get into, that ABC organization. Now you will go to the company portal, the careers portal of that organization ABC. You will search related to your keyword, example data analyst. So you will search data and whatever list of jobs are coming over there, you will select whichever feels relevant to you and matches your experience. You will take that job ID from that portal. So mostly you will see that every job posting has a job ID, unique job ID. You will take that job ID. You will check your connections. If any of your connection, your friend, your relatives, your cousins, or your professional ex-colleagues are working in the same ABC organization. If yes, you will request them to refer you. If not, you will go to LinkedIn, search on LinkedIn, person, data analyst working in that ABC company. You will send them connection request and you will ask them to refer you. Or if you already have connections who is working in any other field but in the same ABC organization, you will text them and request them to refer. Now, what's the right way to ask for a referral? Let me give a short example how I get text messages on LinkedIn for a referral. Suppose a person wants to get referred where I'm working. People just say hi, how are you, and they leave it. Of course, I understand by seeing their profile that they are looking for jobs, they want to switch or they want to get into my organization. Because I have tested this. If people write hi, how are you? If I do not reply after a few days, they'll ask for referral. And some people just say hi, how are you? They leave the chat. Then sometimes they also text like, do you have openings in your company? I need some help from you. Such kind of messages. Now see, we have to clearly understand this part that LinkedIn is a professional setting. It's a professional social network. It's not your family WhatsApp group, right? Where you just write hi, how are you to people and you expect people will reply back to you saying I am good, what's happening in your life. It's a complete professional setting where you should know what you want from other person and what exactly you need to write text to them. Most of the cases, why you text or send connections to people, either you want to see what they're posting or you feel that the post which they are writing are very genuine and you are very interested to read them daily, or you need some guidance from them or you need referrals from them. That's it. It's no personal connection which you want to keep on LinkedIn, of course. So why to waste time in asking hi, how are you, what's up, let's stay connected? That's fine. Let's stay connected is fine. But if your intention is to ask a referral, stop writing hi, how are you only. Write a proper full message. Now I will tell you what's the right way I do. In maximum of the cases, I get positive and affirmative response only because of this technique, which I'm going to explain you right now. So example, hi Gauri, I have seen an opening in entity data for the role of data analyst and the job ID is 240. I want to get referred for this position. Is it possible for you to refer me? Now, I start previously I used to write such paras, but I never used to mention is it possible for you to refer me. But asking this is it possible for you to refer me helped in terms of getting clarity from the person whom I'm texting. If he's really interested to reply back, he will I can refer you, share your resume. Otherwise, if you just write paras and leave, hi, my name is blah blah, I am working here, I want to get referred, this is the job ID, this is role, refer me. So this is not a forum where you just post messages and people keep referring you. This is not that. You need to ask them professionally, hi, I saw an opening for this position, this is the job ID, I want to get referred. Ask them, is it possible for you to refer me? If they say yes, then quickly send them your resume. So avoid asking two-worded sentences like, hi, how are you? Can you refer me? No, this won't work. Nobody will refer you if you send such text. Ask straight away the question, the intention which you have from that person. Ask in a proper manner. एंड जैसे अगर हम व्हाट्सएप किसको टेक्स्ट कर रहे हैं कि हाई आई नीड अ हेल्प फ्रॉम यू, क्या ये पॉसिबल है, कैन यू डू दिस फेवर फॉर मी, तो द पर्सन रिप्लाइज राइट. वी डोंट कमांड द अदर पर्सन हाई दिस इज माय रिज्यूमे जॉब आईडी व्हिच आई सॉ इन योर इंटरनल ओपनिंग एंड दिस इज माय years of experience or whatever. You can't just send them refer me and they have to assume that okay the person has sent me details, I need to refer. No, ask them a question first so that at least little bit of communication will happen among you both, and then you can take it forward from there. Either the person will text you, sorry, I don't have access right now, maybe I can't refer you because of I already referred people, the opening is not available, etc. Or they will say, yes, please share a resume with me, I'm happy to refer you. So always ask, it's a professional setting, ask in a proper way so that other person gets that intent to reply back. Better to first write your points and then leave the paragraph by asking one question, that is it possible for you to refer me. This is a technique which even I use, and I found that people reply when you ask them a question. It becomes more meaningful that you are not commanding anyone, you are asking politely. Just keep in mind the right approach before asking a referral to any person, whether in your network, your professional ex-colleagues. So that's it. I know asking referrals might seem intimidating at first, but it really helps and boosts your job hunting journey. If your application seems really fit, you will get higher chance of getting shortlisted. That's it from the video. If you found this video useful, share it with your friends, like it, and do not forget to subscribe it. I've seen people do not subscribe. 98% of people just watch it and they do not subscribe. Please subscribe, it's free of cost. Also, let me know in the comment section what's the way you tried asking for referral and it was really successful, so that we can also learn from your techniques. See you in the next video. Thank you so much.